Welcome back, everybody. This is 30 Seconds Excel Soul, and we are here today with another topic, one of the most important topics, really, of what we have talked up to now. We are going to see Excel now as a database tool, not just for creating table and making analysis, but having those tables formatted with the proper layouts, styles, and of course, for the proper data variables. So let's see that together. The question is how to add records with the same format as the records on a table created. So we have a table created which we think that is a table, but in reality is not a table because if we add another column record here it is. Let's suppose that is 10th, 21st, 2020. You see that there is no data entered with the same format or anything below on this record. Why? Because this table is not formatted, because each of these columns in reality is not a variable, and each of these records are not part of a database. So what we should do? So when we add records, we have the proper formats even on the new records created. For that, we have to format this table that we have created previously, just a layout, now to be formatted as a database table. For that, we have to go to Home and go to Format as Table and click one of the table styles that we have here or create our own one. So let's create one from the table styles that are template. And here it is. Now this pop-up window is asking where is the data for your table, and I'm picking that data from this table that I've selected because I know that my table has headers and those headers will be variables which, like for example, order date is a date variable and these others, region or rep or item, are text variables. Units is a numbers or integer variable. Unit cost is a float variable. So I'm leaving this checked. My table has headers and I click OK, and you see that now my table changed a little bit the layout, the style, because I selected that. But what is changed? Because it looks the same to what I had. It is changed something that is very important. If I add a record below, down below this table, so let's post 10, 21st, 2020. Now you see a new record is going to show up. And if I add another one, you will see again 10, 22nd, 2020. You see that now I have the option to enter those dates with the same format as the previous records. So this is how we add records with the same format as the records on the table created. And we know now that this table has a proper name, which is the name table 1, for example. And we know that each of these columns now is a variable. And when we are going to do any calculations, like let me do a calculation here, these divided by this, you see that a new column is created. And that column, if you see, it's going to calculate all of the proper divisions between the totals and the unit costs. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching. Bye.